The big news just coming in. A case has been registered against actor Puneeth Rajkumar and Radhika Pandit. They've been accused of giving wrong information in a commercial. The commercial deals with the RTE Act. This is the big news that is just coming in. The actors, Kannada film stars who were endorsing the Right to Education Act in one of the commercials, are now being accused of falsely endorsing it. My colleague Varghese joins us with more details on this. Well, Varghese, what are the false details that is being talked about here?
Well, we are looking at a situation where the task officer of one of the task officers from the RTE, who's in with regards to enforcing the RTE Act, has been put on investigations with regards to this particular ad. And what they're saying is that he's given a case saying that there is wrong information with regards to this ad that has been played, especially on the nature of the manner in which the RTE Act is applicable. In it is said that RTE Act will ensure that there is free education that will be given to the students who enroll underneath it. But what happens is that according to the Act, there is a provision given for private schools, and in private schools they say they charge fees with regards to it. So there is what he is alleging, Narasimha is alleging, the task force officer with regards to RTE. What he is alleging is that the ad says it gives free education, but at the same time there is the private schools who are actually charging the students who have been enrolled under RTE. So there seems to be misinformation that is being given by the ad. He's also asked for the entire content with regards to the commercial be changed with the right focus given to the fact and information that is being disseminated be corrected with regards to the free education that is being offered, but rather they should also follow up with the order that has been given by the Supreme Court, which said that children from 6 to 14 should be given free education and that it should be enabled. But since that is not the situation at present, the actors are also responsible for giving the wrong information with regards to it. So these are the demands made by the task officer in charge of implementing the RTE, Nishita.
Well, and also any reactions from these popular actors, no? Varghese, if you can hear us, if you can tell us if there's any reaction coming in from the two actors.
Well, the actors at present have not reacted to it. They've been informed with regards to this particular case that has been filed, but they've not reacted as present to this. But this also, Nishita, we must understand there was an attempt by the previous government to draft a law where the people who are in fact part of the ad also take responsibility for the message that has been given, and that if there is something wrong with the message, they can or with the product, they can in fact be sued with regards to it. So that was one of the laws that was being contemplated with regards to a celebrity taking up an ad and also giving information or endorsing a product. But that law did not in fact fall through at present. But it seems that this officer is in fact very adamant with the fact that there should be the right information that needs to be given, and this is in fact a misleading ad and it is giving a wrong message with regards to RTE, Nishita.
Right, Varghese, thank you for joining us with all those details. Well, in fact, a complaint has been registered against Puneeth Rajkumar as well as Radhika Pandit. The complaint is regarding the few details that they have mentioned in the advertisement for RTE, claiming that these details are not practiced in reality and are false.
ಈಗ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಸುಲಭವಾಗಿ ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು. ಯಾಕೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ಕಡ್ಡಾಯ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ನೀತಿ ಪ್ರಕಾರ 6 ರಿಂದ 14 ವರ್ಷದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಉಚಿತವಾಗಿ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಪಡಿಬಹುದು. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನ ಹತ್ತಿರದಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ಕಳಿಸಿ, ಅವ್ರ ಭವಿಷ್ಯನ ರೂಪಿಸಿ. ಇದು ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ. ಶಿಕ್ಷಣವೇ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
Well, in fact, there we have it, Puneeth Rajkumar there, who went on to state that the government schools won't be charging like the private schools, but RTE is a completely different concept, and this has gotten the two actors into trouble.
ನಿಲ್ಲಿ. ಶಿಕ್ಷಕ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಶಿಕ್ಷೆ ಕೊಡೋರು ಎಂಬ ಭಾವನೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಳೆಯಲು ಅವಕಾಶ ಕೊಡಬೇಡಿ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ನಿಮ್ಮಿಂದ ವಿದ್ಯೆ ಕಲಿಯಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದವರು. ಇವರಲ್ಲಿ ತಾರತಮ್ಯ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. ಗುಣಮಟ್ಟದ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹ ಕೊಡಿ. ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಹಕ್ಕು ಕಾಯ್ದೆ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ದೈಹಿಕ ಹಾಗೂ ಮಾನಸಿಕ ಹಿಂಸೆ ನೀಡುವಂತಿಲ್ಲ. ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನು ಪ್ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ ಮಾತಾಡಿಸಿ ಆಸಕ್ತಿ ಬೆಳೆಸಿ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ವಿಷಯ, ಜನ್ಮ ದಿನಾಂಕ ದಾಖಲೆಗೆ ಒತ್ತಾಯಿಸಬೇಡಿ. ಅವರ ಪೋಷಕರಿಂದ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಪಡೆದು ನೇರವಾಗಿ ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ಸೇರಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.
Well, in fact, this is the advertisement put forth of Radhika Pandit for the Right to Education Act, which has drawn the ire of a few complainants who have gone on to accuse Puneet and Radhika of divulging false details in the RTE. Puneet Rajkumar, in his advertisement, had gone on to state that the government schools will not be charging like private schools, but that is what has drawn question marks and the ire of the complainants, who have now filed an official complaint against Radhika Pandit as well as Puneet Rajkumar.
ಶಿಕ್ಷಣಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹ ಕೊಡಿ. ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಹಕ್ಕು ಕಾಯ್ದೆ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ದೈಹಿಕ ಹಾಗೂ ಮಾನಸಿಕ ಹಿಂಸೆ ನೀಡುವಂತಿಲ್ಲ. ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನು ಪ್ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ ಮಾತಾಡಿಸಿ ಆಸಕ್ತಿ ಬೆಳೆಸಿ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ವಿಷಯ, ಜನ್ಮ ದಿನಾಂಕ ದಾಖಲೆಗೆ ಒತ್ತಾಯಿಸಬೇಡಿ. ಅವರ ಪೋಷಕರಿಂದ